Hi everyone, this is Sandy Cray of the Heart, and today I'm here with just a project share. So, I used a lot of Tailored Expressions product. So I have a little group put together by Tailored Expressions, and so I really just like making cards and sending them. So anyway, this little group, we have 4 people in our group, and we just make cards every other month and send them to each other. So we have themes. So this month's theme is Halloween. And so I am using a couple of things. So let's get into it. I feel really proud of myself because I used, I think, all of the Halloween stuff that I had purchased. So, and some of it's stuff I already have. But the simple strips. So this is one of those where you stamp and then you can cut all at once. And then this is the layering die. And this one is a Halloween. It's the simple strips Halloween. So I did use those. Not all of them, but a couple of them. And then I used the Serene Scene Halloween editions, as well as this cool die. And then this is Together Halloween, which I did use this. And this is one of those where you stamp it and then it has one die, cuts it all out. This is the Haunted Mansion cutting plate, which they had for sale a short period of time, but it was also a free with purchase, which is when I got mine, and I love it so much. And I feel like I could use this for other things. Maybe if I cut off the crosses, maybe it could be something else. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Exclamation point. So this one is not just Halloween. It does have some, boo and eek, but it also, and creepy, but it also has Santa and ho, 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 cheers. So it could be used all around. And so basically you would use the way I did it was I cut with the die. I leave the die all in one, and then I just go through and I just stamp in the little holes. So fun frames cutting plate, and of course this is one that can be used all the time. And then this was a free with purchase last year. I think it was last year. Anyway, I use this. And then I used this die, stencil, called Moonlight. So I'll show you that. And then I used this stencil, which is actually, I want to say it's a Not Too Shabby Shop, I think. Okay. Now on to the cards. I love how they came out. So here's this one right here. I used that plate and I sprayed all of these with, or all of them got sprayed with this shimmer spritz that I have. So they got a shimmer to them. So here's this one right here. You can see I use that little, those little pieces from that. But I love how that came out. So I just did some ink blending with Distress Oxide. And then I cut the plate so that this just fit right over it. And I think that's adorable. And then this one right here, I don't know if this one's my favorite or not because I love them all, but it's hard to say. So this is where I use that cute little dog and the witch. And so the witch is actually spritzed with some shimmer spray. And I use that cool moon. And I just love how that moon came out. So it's just fun. And then this one right here, on black cardstock, I did use some white pigment ink with that stencil. I gave it a really great look. And I used bits and pieces from that Serene Scene Halloween editions, and I used the Haunted Mansion cover plate, and you can see where I used those little speech bubbles, and I just love how it came out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Crane with the Heart.